Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I got here from Nortiv8. These are going to be some cool looking boots. So I got these ones here. If you look at it here, it's got kind of a gray and black kind of cool look here. Doing some hiking and things like that later. And so these are going to come in handy. I'm actually hopefully climbing Mount Kilimanjaro in December. These might be my go-to boots for that. So we're going to give these things a little try and see how they feel. It does indeed come with two. And I can tell there's some paper or something inside of it here. It's all puffed up. Yes. Okay. There we go. I think that's everything there on that side. And this one. There we go. Okay. I'll aim you guys down. You can watch my feet. So here we go. So this is them here. So it's all tied up here. I don't have any socks on at the moment. And I got a size 8.5, so I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. I usually wear 8.5, so this is my size. Okay, that's super loose now, I guess because I let all that out. And it's got those like where you kind of wrap it around. It's like a wrap it around there and then wrap it around again, I guess, to get to use up all the shoelace on this one. Okay, there's that side, and it's pretty loose. I have these super loose right now, so I will need to tighten that for myself. Okay, maybe on this one I'll do that. I'll tighten it. Let's see. So, and again, I said 8.5 because that's just what I wear. But you see. Boy, these are comfy. They've got a lot of padding inside of them, so it's nice and soft on the inside. Okay, so there we go. So I've got these two on there. I can definitely feel this one's looser. But okay, so there we go. And this is what it looks like here. It's got a good cushion on my heel. My heel is just nice and soft on there. So that is good. And they look pretty cool. I mean, I'm wearing shorts, so they look ridiculous, but when I have pants on and stuff that look nice. And these are good. They're very comfortable. And I can even feel up in the toe area. My toes go up to right about there. And I wear 8.5. The width is good. I'll probably, well, this one here is loose. This one here is cinched up more close on my foot the way it is. I don't know if you can see the difference. This one here I tightened up a little bit. Still could tighten it up even more. I guess I have skinny little feet. But yeah, like that. So that's that. So these are good. Super comfy. And these are by the Nortiv8 brand. And they are awesome. So I'm going to say thumbs up on these.